7 Main Buddhism Teachings. Welcome to our channel. Today, we embark on a transformative journey into the heart of Buddhism, uncovering its profound teachings that have inspired millions around the world. From the serenity of meditation to the wisdom of enlightenment, join us as we explore the 7 main teachings of Buddhism. Get ready to expand your mind, open your heart, and discover the path to true inner peace and happiness. Let's dive in. Teaching 1, the Four Noble Truths. Our journey begins with the cornerstone of Buddhist philosophy, the Four Noble Truths. These timeless truths form the foundation of Buddhism, offering profound insights into the nature of suffering in the path to liberation. The first noble truth is the truth of suffering. Buddhism teaches us that suffering is an inherent part of life, from physical pain to emotional distress. However, instead of avoiding or denying suffering, Buddhism encourages us to confront it head-on and understand its root causes. The second noble truth is the truth of the origin of suffering. According to Buddhism, the root cause of suffering is craving and attachment. When we cling to desires and expectations, we inevitably experience dissatisfaction and discontentment. By recognizing and letting go of our attachments, we can free ourselves from suffering. The third noble truth is the truth of the cessation of suffering. Buddhism teaches us that it is possible to overcome suffering and find true peace and contentment. By relinquishing attachment and cultivating mindfulness and compassion, we can attain a state of liberation known as nirvana. The fourth noble truth is the truth of the path to the cessation of suffering. Known as the Noble Eightfold Path, this path offers practical guidance for living a life of wisdom, ethics, and mental discipline. By following the Eightfold Path, we can overcome suffering and cultivate inner peace and happiness. Together, the Four Noble Truths form a roadmap for transcending suffering and finding lasting happiness. By understanding the nature of suffering, its causes, and the path to liberation, we can embark on a journey of self-discovery and transformation. Teaching 2, the Three Marks of Existence. As we continue our exploration of Buddhism, we encounter the three marks of existence, fundamental truths that illuminate the nature of reality and the human experience. The first mark of existence is impermanence. Buddhism teaches us that all things are impermanent and subject to change. From the rising and falling of the sun to the ebb and flow of our thoughts and emotions, nothing in this world is permanent or fixed. The second mark of existence is suffering. As we've already explored in the Four Noble Truths, suffering is an inherent part of life. Whether it's physical pain, emotional distress, or the existential angst of existence, suffering touches every aspect of our lives. The third mark of existence is non-self. Buddhism challenges the notion of a fixed and independent self, instead teaching that our sense of self is fluid and ever-changing. By recognizing the interconnectedness of all things, we can transcend the illusion of separateness and experience the true nature of reality. Together, the three marks of existence remind us of the impermanent, interconnected, and inherently unsatisfactory nature of life. By embracing these truths, we can cultivate wisdom, compassion, and a deeper appreciation for the beauty and complexity of existence. Teaching 3, the Noble Eightfold Path. In our exploration of Buddhism, we encounter the Noble Eightfold Path, a comprehensive guide to living a life of wisdom, ethics, and mental discipline. The first aspect of the Noble Eightfold Path is right understanding. This involves developing a deep insight into the nature of reality, including the Four Noble Truths and the Three Marks of Existence. The second aspect is right intention. This entails cultivating wholesome intentions and attitudes, such as compassion, loving kindness, and non-harming. The third aspect is right speech. This involves using our words mindfully and skillfully, avoiding falsehood, gossip, harsh language, and divisive speech. The fourth aspect is right action. This entails acting ethically and responsibly, refraining from harming living beings, stealing, or engaging in harmful sexual behavior. The fifth aspect is right livelihood. This involves earning a living in a way that is honest, ethical, and aligned with our values and principles. The sixth aspect is right effort. This entails cultivating positive mental states and overcoming unwholesome tendencies through diligent practice and perseverance. The seventh aspect is right mindfulness. This involves developing present moment awareness and non-judgmental attention to our thoughts, feelings, and sensations. The eighth and final aspect is right concentration. This entails cultivating deep states of concentration and mental absorption through meditation practice. Together, the Noble Eightfold Path offers a comprehensive framework for living a life of wisdom, ethics, and mental discipline. By following this path, we can cultivate inner peace, happiness, and liberation from suffering. Teaching 4, the Law of Karma. As we delve deeper into Buddhist philosophy, we encounter the law of karma, a fundamental principle that governs the moral and ethical fabric of the universe. Karma, derived from the Sanskrit word meaning action or deed, refers to the law of cause and effect. According to Buddhism, every action we take, whether physical, verbal, or mental, has consequences that reverberate throughout the universe. Positive actions, such as acts of kindness, generosity, and compassion, create wholesome karma and lead to positive outcomes in the future. Negative actions, such as harming others, lying, or stealing, create unwholesome karma and lead to negative consequences. Karma operates on the principle of moral causation, meaning that our intentions and motivations behind our actions determine their karmic consequences. By understanding the law of karma, we can cultivate mindfulness and ethical behavior in our lives, knowing that our actions have far-reaching implications for ourselves and others. Ultimately, karma reminds us of the interconnectedness of all beings and the profound impact our actions have on the world around us. By cultivating positive karma through virtuous actions, we can create a more compassionate and harmonious world for ourselves and future generations. Teaching 5, the practice of meditation. Narrator, as we continue our exploration of Buddhism, we encounter the transformative practice of meditation, a powerful tool for cultivating mindfulness, insight, and inner peace. Meditation is a central aspect of Buddhist practice, dating back to the time of the Buddha himself. It involves training the mind to develop present moment awareness and cultivate a deep sense of inner calm and tranquility. There are many different forms of meditation in Buddhism, from mindfulness meditation to loving-kindness meditation, each offering unique benefits for the practitioner. Mindfulness meditation, known as vipassana in the Buddhist tradition, involves observing the breath and bodily sensations with non-judgmental awareness. Loving-kindness meditation, known as metta, involves cultivating feelings of compassion, love, and goodwill towards oneself and others. By practicing meditation regularly, we can train the mind to let go of distractions and develop a deep sense of inner peace and clarity. Meditation also offers profound benefits for mental and emotional well-being, including stress reduction, increased resilience, and greater emotional balance. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced practitioner, meditation offers a powerful means of transforming your mind and cultivating greater awareness, compassion, and wisdom in your life. Teaching 6, the concept of impermanence. In our exploration of Buddhism, we encounter the profound concept of impermanence, a fundamental truth that lies at the heart of existence. Impermanence, or anicca in Pali, refers to the transient and ever-changing nature of reality. According to Buddhism, all things, whether physical or mental, are subject to impermanence and undergo constant flux and change. From the changing seasons to the rising and falling of the tides, impermanence is a fundamental aspect of the natural world. Impermanence also applies to our thoughts, emotions, and perceptions, which arise and pass away in the mind like fleeting clouds in the sky. By recognizing the impermanent nature of all things, we can develop a deeper appreciation for the beauty and preciousness of life. Impermanence also teaches us to let go of attachment and clinging to things that are fleeting and transient. By embracing impermanence, we can cultivate a greater sense of acceptance, resilience, and equanimity in the face of life's changes and uncertainties. Ultimately, impermanence reminds us to cherish each moment and live fully in the present, knowing that everything is impermanent and nothing lasts forever. Teaching 7, the concept of emptiness. As we reach the culmination of our exploration of Buddhism, we encounter the profound concept of emptiness, a central tenet of Buddhist philosophy. Emptiness, or sunyata in Sanskrit, refers to the fundamental nature of reality as empty of inherent existence. According to Buddhism, all phenomena are devoid of any permanent, fixed, or independent essence. Instead, phenomena arise dependently on causes and conditions, and are interconnected and interdependent in nature. Emptiness does not imply nihilism or nothingness, but rather points to the fluid, ever-changing nature of reality. By understanding the emptiness of all things, we can transcend the illusion of separateness and experience the interconnectedness and interdependence of all phenomena. Emptiness also offers profound insights into the nature of the self, teaching us to let go of our attachment to a fixed and independent identity. By realizing the emptiness of the self, we can cultivate greater compassion, wisdom, and altruism, and overcome the root causes of suffering. Ultimately, emptiness points to the inherent freedom and liberation that comes from seeing things as they truly are, beyond the limitations of our conceptual frameworks and mental constructs. By embracing emptiness, we can transcend the confines of our ego and awaken to the boundless expanse of our true nature. Final conclusion. As we come to the end of our journey through the teachings of Buddhism, we are reminded of the profound wisdom and timeless truths that lie at the heart of this ancient tradition. From the Four Noble Truths to the concept of emptiness, Buddhism offers a comprehensive framework for understanding the nature of reality and the path to liberation from suffering. Whether you're seeking inner peace, spiritual enlightenment, or simply a deeper understanding of the human condition, the teachings of Buddhism provide invaluable guidance and inspiration for navigating life's challenges and discovering true happiness and fulfillment. We hope this video has inspired you to explore the teachings of Buddhism further and incorporate its profound wisdom into your own life. May you walk the path of awakening with courage, compassion, and wisdom, and may you find true peace and happiness along the way. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. Until next time, may you be well, may you be happy, and may you be at peace. Remember, you are not alone. Thanks for watching.